Hello everyone, it's Brian from Home Painters. I'm really excited today to show you about a project that we did in the exterior of a house. It was a two-part job actually. The first thing we did was we repaired the windows that was actually rotted out on the sill, and it was the bay window. The customer came to us and they were really, they're actually pretty desperate because they had a hard time finding a carpenter and they just couldn't find someone that could fix the window because they didn't want to come for such a small job. So they were really happy that we came to do it. And then we offered to get the job done for him. And then the other thing that happened was they thought, obviously, since the wood wouldn't have been fixed, they wanted to get the caulking done. And so what we did was, first thing we did was we removed the rotted wood on the sill, and we had our carpenter Gonzalez go in there. And in about a day and a half, he basically removed the wood, cut new wood, and then had it reinstalled, and then we caulked it up and filled it in and made sure it was all completely like measured and to the form so that you couldn't see the difference between the sills, the fact that it was removed and replaced. So that was really good. Then the second part of the job was we had the caulking done, and we had our trusted caulking guy there, Alex, and he did a great job. First thing we did was we removed the existing caulking, and the reason why the caulking was about 30-40 years old and it was completely like deteriorating and it was cracked as well. So we removed the existing caulking, and then we used the Dow Corning caulking, which is a really solid industrial caulking, and it fills really well. It's guaranteed for 20 years, so it matched the existing color of the windows well, and it's completely filling in the gaps. Well, the customer actually were really happy the fact that we replaced it for them and just did a repair, because they told me that the cost to replace the bay window was over $10,000. So we saved them a significant amount of money by just caulking it, replacing the wood, and then of course painting it, and they were happy that we got it done in very good time. And it looked great. It's good for years to come. The caulking is guaranteed for 20 years, and the color looks great as well. So I was really happy to get this done for them. It looks awesome. So if you like what you see, we can definitely do this for you also. Please call us at 416-494-9095. Thanks so much for watching.